Explosion as Z. Epleaser von Heike, united with solid performance family. In the pedigree of Explosion as Z, we find the Grand Prix stallion Epleaser von Heike and Don VHP Z combined. The oldest offspring of sire Epleaser von Heike are already competing on top level, such as Kalinka von den Nachtigale and Cassandra von Heike. Grand Dame Bandette S has foaled the 140 level horse Formidable and is a half-sister to Matthijs van Asten's 150 show jumper VDL Group Sapphire S. Great Grand Dame Nadette S is a sibling to the international 155 level horse Tarpan, and from this direct family originate 160 level horses like First One, Lupico and El Padrino as well.